Where to start learning how to draw? The best art teachers for beginners from my experience. Well, at the beginning I will tell that there's one important thing you have to understand: what you want to do. Either you want to learn art for your own self-expression and use art as visual language, or you want to learn art as your profession, as your occupation, like you want to sell art, you want to become professional artist. That's a difference in your choices. My recommendations will be for you if you want to learn art as the way how you can express yourself, how you can understand yourself, how you can do art journaling and learn visual language. Visual instructor would be my first choice.
He has very affordable price and super system to learn anything in art. As you see, it is just $19 a month or $97 a year. That is amazing. Also, you can buy all those courses separately. This course is for $29, or this one is for $13. This one is $15. Like very super affordable prices. And the founder and an instructor is amazing teacher. He explains in a very plain language. He has ebooks and tutorials. That would be my go-to place, and I wish somebody would share with me this information at the beginning when I was starting. So you can learn any medium here: drawing, painting, oil, pastel, mixed media, like everything. Very highly recommend that instructor. The same way also I recommend Alisa Burke. Her art classes are also for very great price. That's very great, budget friendly, and also diversity. What she's teaching is amazing and it's beginner friendly. I have bought many courses from her because I love the way she teaches. It is super on point and I can do daily art following her tutorials. So benefits are: it's budget friendly, inspirational, professional, on point, no fluff. For example, here is the Homebody Journal online class. And as you see here on the right side, there are 30 tutorials. And in detail she explains about materials, about the process, and she has very short and on point all videos. For example, this one is 8 minutes and she has 5 to 8 to maximum 10 minutes videos where she explains the exercise, the third place what I would recommend would be Skillshare, also because it is budget friendly and there are many choices for courses. On Skillshare I would recommend to find Anna Victoria. I learned from her watercolor and color mixing. Amazing. She's a really amazing teacher. Also everything is on a point and beginner friendly and doable. I discovered Anna on Domestika. I love Domestika system that if you buy their membership, then they give a credit towards owning one course per month. Similarly, how does it Audible when you subscribe. Also, I love, this is not about painting but story illustration with paper. That's one of my favorite courses on Domestika. I also found Anna there, and then later I discovered she's also on Skillshare. I also have bought many others, but they wasn't helpful much for me as a beginner. Like for example this Willowing, which is made by Tamara Laporte. When I found her book, Life book, it was my first time to see what art journaling is like, and then I bought a couple of her courses. But for me it did not feel like I got what I expected. It was not beginner friendly nor budget friendly. And for example, Life book consists of different teachers and they give art journaling page or some kind of art tutorial, but I felt stuck and I didn't know where to start, because you must know something about materials or colors. I couldn't use much of these tutorials. As I showed you in the video here, I started with drawing coffee cups. On Creative Live, I found this class 28 to make, and this was how I started with her Draw Your Beverage. She is also on Skillshare. Kate has also 2 courses on Skillshare, so if you would buy Skillshare, then you would get all these amazing things. As well, on Skillshare there are many more others. I love this watercolor workout. It's Jen Dixon classes. So
I hope that you enjoyed this short video, and if you want a group of fun people and if you want nice community, let me know. And down below this video I have waiting list for our membership. Sign up and I will contact you.